Carbon mirrors. Look how glossy that is. Now this is pretty nuts. I have now, yeah. Hi guys, what's going on, and welcome to another video. And you guessed it, it's another Sunday where I'm attending another B.A.D Abarth meet. So I'm here today in my Abarth. My parents have come along on their competition convertible as well. Today we are at Logic Studios, which is a detailing hub, and they also do vehicle wrapping, so I might have a little flick through their colours later. So I'd love to get that done to my Abarth one day. But we've got loads of Abarths here. We're in Yeovil today, so let's check out what's here so far. This event also isn't just open to Abarths like I originally thought. We've got all sorts here. A couple of MCLARENS have just left, so I'll put those clips in. But yeah, let's have a look at what's here. Sharon, Lorraine, you're on YouTube now. Pepsi the Poodle, give us away. Pepsi the Poodle, Pepsi the Poodle. I've got to get her in every video, that's what I try and do. And try and get you in every video as well.
I'm not talking to you.
Get both the dogs in each video. How did your car end up in here then? They said get the dirtiest one in.
Oh, I've no idea, darling. I don't really know.
I heard they're going to respray it yellow.
They just said reverse it in, so I
Get it in there, girl. Looks nice though, doesn't she?
Yeah, you?
And this one's just arrived, very modified this one. Series 3. Air Tech intercooler, bowl of wheels, yellow Brembos, carbon mirrors, standard leather interior. Loving the Scorpion, loving the little Abarth decal on the wheels. This is very nice and very clean, looks great under the lights here. Actually an SS edition this one, very cool. Josh is going to be in the YouTube video now because he's doing a little photo shoot of my Abarth. Love it.
You gotta have a gob like this, mate.
Oh, what a gob? Yeah, you do. I have now, yeah. Now this is pretty nuts. This is what I mean by it's not just an event for Abarths. Very modified polo, this is wicked. It's also been wrapped multiple times apparently by Logic Studios themselves. Very nice car, look at that. What a colour as well. Epic stance. Look at them side skirts. Mega thick. The Cup edition, mad exhaust. Very, very cool. So let's have a look at the Abarth's then. So we've got Chris's on the end, and then Sammy's just arrived in an all black one. And then we've got another comp here. Some of these cars are very clean. I didn't bother cleaning mine. Mine is still dirty from last weekend's B.A.D Abarth meet. And then now Sarah, she's got a new addition on her Turismo, which is this front splitter. Oh, something's leaving. She's got this nice front splitter on her Abarth now. Something again I really want to get to mine eventually. Oh, this is rather fancy. A Sora, I think it is. What a colour. Loving the 3-spoke wheels, very nice. Clio's here, we've got the orange Abarth 124 Spiders and this one again before. I need to check the roof as well. We've got the red one here with its unique reflective distinctive stripes on. A Rivale, I've seen this one before, but I love seeing it. Now, one of my real favourite colours is the Adrenaline Green. I also used to have those wheels on my Trofeo that I used to own before. Representing B.A.D Abarth South Coast, of course. That one's got the record Monza. This one's very clean coming in. Again, I've seen this one before. Competizione, and yeah, look how glossy that is. It must live locally to this and meat, surely. Extremely clean. My parents are here in their modified Competizione convertible. Then we have this yellow one. So Simon, he supports what I do, follows me on Instagram, watches my YouTube videos. He's turned up today in his sister's Abarth, but nonetheless, it's the only yellow one here. And for that reason, it gets extra love from me. This is a 595 Turismo, liking the black roof. Again, another very clean car. Oh, he did say actually he lives locally, so. Oh, what's happened on the roof here? Oh wow, it's a bit, I'm not at all, so it looks like a big scorpion from what I've just filmed. That is very cool indeed. Non-Abarths now, we have a VW Golf GTI and a rather nice and low MX-5. Have a Yamaha Monster Energy Edition Abarth, again seen this one before. Looking very clean, and this is looking very clean for a black car, or a black Abarth shall I say. Also seen that one, and then we have my dirty looking one over here, but it don't look too bad on camera actually, so we'll go with that. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Sarah, happy birthday to you. Woo! Got a photo shoot the B.A.D Abarth merch. Is it then for this meet at Logic Studios, a new Abarth meeting place for B.A.D Abarth South Coast. Once again, thanks to the B.A.D Abarth South Coast team, admin for organising this one, and also Logic Studios for having us here. A couple of the members are getting some pricing on the old wrap jobby, so yeah, definitely something I'd like to get on my Abarth one day. Well, probably not in the near future. Oh, I thought that was a Abarth coming by, it's actually a Vauxhall Vectra. Oops. And we've wished Sarah happy birthday as well. Bless her, she's not very well today. My parents have already gone, I've been left behind. Still a few of us here, but I suppose I should get on and make a move. So yeah, another good meet. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in another one for sure.